We're going to be talking about how to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. Auto brightness is a feature that automatically adjusts the brightness of your iPhone's screen based on the ambient light around you. While this can be helpful in some situations, it can also be annoying at times. For example, if you're in a dark room and your iPhone's screen is set to auto brightness, it may be too bright and make it difficult to see. The first step is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can do this by tapping on the Settings icon on your home screen. Once you're in the Settings app, tap on the Display and Brightness option. On the Display and Brightness screen, you'll see a toggle switch for True Tone. Tap on this switch to turn off auto brightness. Once you've turned off auto brightness, you can adjust the brightness of your iPhone's screen manually. To do this, use the slider before the True Tone toggle switch. Additional tips. You can also use the Night Shift feature to reduce the amount of blue light emitted from your iPhone's screen. This can help to reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality. If you're having trouble finding the display and brightness settings, you can use the search bar at the top of the Settings app. That's it. You've now successfully turned off auto brightness on your iPhone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.